Okay guys, we're back in the kitchen and we're going to show you that big reveal. What we're doing to the countertop, the backsplash, and above the cabinets. A lot of you have been asking. We finally got it coordinated. Still waiting for some things, but we're going to do it right here on my take on Home and Garden. Alrighty guys, hey, I'm set up to show you what I'm going to do for the countertop. People asked, I said, we're not keeping the blue, you know, so our good friends asked, what are you going to do? So I want to show you. I had to go get it, a lot of it, and prep it, and what we're doing is this incredible marble top in the 24 by 24. So we'll have minimum seams. I can cut it, I can install it, and save a ton. Do I have to tell you? Okay, but let's look at this carefully because there's steps you have to do first. Now I'm going to use a mastic on the countertop, and I've already sanded it to get a little bit of a grab for the mastic. I like the white, no matter what color I'm using. It's just neater and cleaner when you go to clean up. Now on the back, you see I've cut that marble. And that's what I want on the backsplash. Now I'm not going to use mastic because it's a big mess to keep it vertical on a little space. So I'm using construction adhesive. Alright. I'm going to do a nice kind of a M or W pattern. And this construction adhesive will outlast the rest of the house. Now I'm also going to put some on the top. You got to move with this. This is the Liquid Nails brand. I really love it. I've used it all my life. Construction adhesive, and this particular one is the heavy duty. There's nothing wrong with the regular either, but get a little bit up there. Alright, now I have a little project. Now, like I say, you gotta move. So I'm gonna take the most boring one and put it in the corner because the corner doesn't get seen. Okay, that looks like this to me. I'm gonna slap that in and press it. Give it a little hammer just with my hand. That's going to be plenty. And before that sets up, I'm going to check it again and make sure it's stiff on there. Okay. We're going to get the next one. I really like when they don't match. Let's see what's going on. I see a little bit of curve at the bottom, so I want to put almost a bead in between. Okay. I don't want it matchbook, you know what I mean? I like the variation. You guys know what matchbook is, where it's cut from the same stone and you open it like this, and it's almost a mirror image of the same side because it was cut out of the same piece of stone. I'm not doing that. Okay, now this is real travertine. You see the natural travertine. It's dull on one side. They only polish the one side. Obviously, why would you polish the other side? Okay, now I've cut them in half. I'm going to get 2 pieces out of each one. And I want that to go right to the edge. Now we're not going to worry about a little joint. We're going to do a fine grouting later. Okay, and I want to show you why these steps are important. Like 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take some of my pieces and stack them up there so they'll hold that. Plants have priority, you know, so I gotta be nice. You know, I'll have to pull that sink, both of them, and make my cuts and get around it, and nobody cares about it here. I know you don't want to go through that agonizing deal. So, you know, I'll do that on my own. Now remember, we're going to lightly grout, and it's going to be a wonderful cream color that's going to make any uneven joint just disappear. Just you won't even hardly notice. Now we're going to do our little squiggle. And take a look at how we're going to go with these. I think an M shape is plenty. And then you want to stagger your colors. What do I mean by that? Right there. This one has black in it, this one doesn't. Only a little. Okay? Then, here's one that doesn't look like either one of those. So you want to look through your batches and split that all up. And it'll be much more interesting. Look at this. Now I didn't cut any in half, but I Kinda knew I was gonna have to. Let's see if we're gonna make it. Yeah, we'll make it under that plate. So the first one after this row is a half. But I can cut that later because I know that these are 3 by 6. Gotta watch that metal tape around that outlet too. Now I'll cut that, see, later. Because I put my saw away for tonight. Just did enough to get it going so you guys could see. As I promised that Wednesday video. And it's very meaningful to us to do what we say. You'll never have to worry about that one. I know a lot of you know that anyway. Okay. Look at this. Now that top row will have to get cut the skinny way. Okay, now I want to show you the counter. Remember, those joints are going away with grout. We've got our mastic made up all ahead. I want to pretty much thin. Let me look at what 48 is. Oh boy, I thought it was close. It's close right on that. Look at this. It'll let me put 2 down before I have to pull that sink. My favorite thing to do. I'm gonna get close. And then I'm gonna go back. Alrighty, we're ready for 3 pieces. Look at this. Want to fill them voids. When it doesn't rattle and it sounds like a drum, you're doing good. I'm not going there. I have to. Yeah, I need those joints nice. Okay folks, I'm going to show you how far I got today. You can see the corner. I got 2 pieces on the other side of the sink. One piece on the island. And 2 pieces on the coffee bar. That's how far I got today. Pretty good. I'm happy with that. That's one day, and I prepped some more Akina millwork. So if you liked what you saw today, Give us a like, a share, a comment. Give us a smiley face, a lemon. Lemons are good this time of year. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you in the next over-the-top remodel video. We got a little table coming for Friday. Guys, it's a dandy.